Hi, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors, and in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to take an Excel file and move it into Power BI to create powerful, interactive reporting and data visualizations that you can get on your computer, tablet, or phone. It's a short 6-minute video, so please stay through the end so you can get the full experience of how our quick start solutions can improve your business and enable you to make better data-driven decisions. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Thanks.
Hi, this is Derek Wilson, and one of the offerings that we have is called a Quick Start Solution. And with that, we typically work with customers to grab data out of one of their systems, pull it into a CSV and Excel file, and then transform how that data is used out of just a typical pivot table within Excel and actually push it into Microsoft's data and analytic platform, Power BI. So in this example, I'm going to quickly show you a sample Excel file, how it would look on Power BI, and how it would look on your phone. So these are all things that we can do for you in less than 4 weeks just to get you up and running in production so you know how things can work. So here's my financial data set that I have. I just have sales information. I've got some segments, country, product, right? How many units were sold, some prices. This could be any file that you have. In this case, I've taken this file. I've already transformed it into a Power BI file, built a report on it, published it out to the cloud. So you can see here, this is my powerbi.com cloud experience. So these are all of the different apps and reports and things that I have built that are available to me. So in your environment, you would have multiple apps. We typically start off with one and then grow from there. You divide them up by line of business. There's lots of ways to do it. It's kind of a folder structure. But in this case, that's my dashboard. You would have a dashboard that looks like this with your information. And then my finance sample data that I showed you in Excel, I've now converted into a very powerful interactive report and dashboard. So here I've got my segments by sales, cost of goods sold, and profit. I have a date slicer over here. So if I only want to look at, say, 6 months worth of data, I can change that. Everything else in my page changes. I've got my profit by segment, government, small business, channel partner, profit by date. I can see my trend line. I've got by country. The plus signs, of course, mean I can drill down. So if I click on that, it'll tell me my line of business. If I click into it again, it's actually telling me my products. These are the name of the products, how many I sold, what's the price to manufacture. And then one of the other advantages you get with Power BI is, let me just say I want to see what's my small business, my $2 million here do. Well, I just clicked on that. Now everything on my dashboard is filtered down so I can see the percentage of small business compared to the total. So you can see here the dark purple is my small business line. And how's that performing? How's it performing by country? How's it performing by product? All of that information is available for me to just be able to use. You can do the same thing if I just click off of it. I can then look at it by product or by country. France is my biggest country. Well, what am I selling? Right? I'm selling a lot of this Paseo product, Velo. I can see my sales very quickly and easily. And anybody on your team that has access to Power BI can use this. I've got another page that just gives me my typical Excel look of data. I've got my sales by year, quarter, month, the product, the profit. I have my products over here. Again, it's highly interactive. So if I click on the Paseo product here, I can actually see everything that I need. And then if I did need to get this out and back into Excel, I can go out here. I could export the data and drop that right back out to Excel to do different analysis. Oftentimes, my customers take that information and use it for workflow. So if there's somebody that's specifically responsible for this product, they may spend more time doing deeper analysis of that, but they're accessing the data the exact same way as everybody else. And then finally, what I want to show you is how this would work on your tablet or phone. Okay, so this is just a screen mirroring application that I'm using. This is actually my iPhone that works as well as on Android. And you can see here on my phone experience, obviously I don't have as much space. So if I come down here and I click on the samples, right, and it is faster on my phone, but just so you can see, I have dashboards that I've built out, I have reports, and the financial sample report is the one that we were just looking at. So obviously all those charts and everything are way too big to be seen on my phone, but I can create a custom view that allows me to quickly come in and see everything I need to see about my product lines on my phone. So you're like, okay, well, I have France, I have all this information. Well, again, on the phone, I can click on that and I can expand it. So now it'll actually allow me to see. So wherever I'm at, all I have to do is log in through the Power BI app. It securely accesses the same information. If I want to look at my product per band, same thing. It's kind of small on here, but I can expand it, and now I can see all of that. So I hope this helps you understand how you can take your data that's currently trapped in your systems, and we can help you again with our quick start solution. Take that data, automate as much of the solution as possible, get it pushed up to Power BI on the cloud, and enable you and your team, whoever has access, to be able to access that data from their computer, their tablet, or their phone quickly and easily to start making better data-driven decisions and improve how your business operates. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors.